Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch 2 Stadium. This exciting new game mode pits two teams of 5 against each other in a best-of-7 series. You'll battle across magnificent arenas, experiencing the action from a default third-person camera, though first-person is also an option. Get ready to strategically upgrade your chosen hero throughout the match for a truly dynamic experience. Before the battle begins, you'll select a single hero to play for the entire match. This crucial decision shapes your strategy, as hero swapping is not allowed. Your team will follow a standard composition of 1 tank, 2 damage, and 2 support heroes. At its introduction, Stadium featured 17 unique heroes, with additional characters joining the roster in subsequent updates. Between each round, you'll visit the armory to enhance your hero. You start with 3,500 Stadium cash, earning more through gameplay actions like eliminations, assists, and securing bounties. Use this cash to purchase items that boost your weapons, abilities, or general stats. Additionally, at certain rounds, you'll acquire transformative powers, which are permanent modifiers that significantly alter your hero's capabilities. To claim victory in Stadium, your team must win 4 rounds in the best-of-7 series. Strategic hero upgrades and strong team coordination are paramount for success. Each of the 9 distinct maps features unique rules, often based on control, push, or clash modes, so adapting your playstyle to these conditions is key. Master your hero's evolving kit and work together to dominate the arena.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.